A best friend is like a four-leaf clover, hard to find, lucky to have. A true best friend will bring joy and happiness into our lives, and all our children deserve the best we can give to them. Some of our beautiful memories come from the moments we had spent with our favorite toys. From the day we take our first step, even until we become grown-ups. Toys do more than entertaining and keeping children occupied. Properly chosen, they should aid a child's physical, mental, social, and emotional development. The toy industry is dedicated to not just putting smiles on the faces of children, but also on the faces of all the men on the business. Global toy sales experienced a significant continued growth every year. Global toy market revenues from 2007 to 2017 had a very positive growth number. In 2017, total revenue of the world toy market was $89 billion. And the NPD predicts that the market overall will top $99 billion in 2022. The toy industry in Indonesia already shown its value in the global market competition. Nowadays, Indonesia is one of the main players in the global toy industry. Sunindo is an Indonesia-based global toy company located in Cilengsi, West Java, Indonesia, that over the past 25 years has become one of the foremost plush or stuffed toy manufacturers in Asia. This inviolable track record has been achieved through the dedication and hard work of the management team and workforce. However, even then, it would not have been possible without the support of the partners or suppliers from around the world. That trust led them to produce the best in quality products that eventually being loved by many children from across the globe.
Sunindo has been operating for more than 25 years, being founded in 1991 with a workforce of only 10 people. Now, there are more or less 1,000 employees.
The factory for more than 25 years has seen rapid growth with the increasing of the product types and the factory floor area, machine capacity and quantity. Management team evolutions and global or domestic market expansion. The sales distribution of the company has reached the global market with 30% in North America and Canada, 40% in Europe region, 10% in Australia, 5% Asia, and 15% domestic. In 1999, Sunindo decided to do an expansion of the factory area from 5,000 meters to 6,000 meters. During that, the US market also increased by 40%. From 2000 to 2005, the domestic market reached 15% of sales. 2015, the company underwent an evolution of management to achieve much greater operational efficiency, effectivity, while upgrading the production capacity such as 600 additional machines and more than 1,000 employees on the factory.
This is one of the licensed products from our rich portfolio. We are an official producer of Augie and the Cockroaches stuffed toys and have distributed in Indonesia.
Augie and the Cockroaches is a French animated children's television series, and Sunindo became one of the official toy manufacturers that produce the official toy merchandise of this cartoon franchise, which has greatly added to the company's credibility. From the year of 1991 until recent, Sunindo has already proven its credibility as one of the foremost plush or stuffed toy manufacturers globally. Sunindo has everything that our business partners or clients need. Either it's the product's quality or the best services. The team will make sure that the customer will get the best toy products that come from top quality materials, sophisticated and unique yet fun designs. And the most important thing, these products have already been legally certified internationally for their top quality product and production process. Sunindo also makes sure for the social compliance for all the distribution and supply channel, including the health, security, and rights of the employee. These corporate cultures will ensure the company's future of being the leader of the industry and the #1 toy manufacturer in the world. The company's commitment is to provide complete satisfaction to the customers through quality service and good products. To make a better society life with loves and cares. To be a well-known and competent toy manufacturer of global scale through enhanced products and customer service development.